everybody, it's me again. It's been 2 weeks since the last time I made a video. Well, basically today I wanted to thank you for following our Facebook account and for following Instagram account and for opening our email e-blast that we send every 2 weeks. I'm very, very grateful for that. I know it's not easy because receiving all those kind of emails is like, it's kind of, it's boring, you know? And it's always the same thing. Well, basically, right now, I just want to let you guys know that we've been reached out a lot, and a lot of people have reached out directly asking questions and prices and advice. And since that's going on, I would love to, I need a favor, basically. How about if whoever reaches out to us, they can at least, right out front, they can give us their full name, their address, the country where they are, the phone number, because we have WhatsApp, even though we do SMS as well, so no problem with that. Also, we need the email address. Why do we need the email address? We need the email address just because we do, like I mentioned at the beginning, we do e-blast. So we send out a lot of information, things that are going on, but most of all is because we do a lot of videos when we're out on the field, and we show people what we're doing and the experience, and I fall down and you know, we come in to replace a fan or a blower in an amplifier, no matter what the brand, and then what we find out is not only the fan and the blower, it's also the transistor or the dummy load or the cable. So it's like we want to share all these experiences, but in order to do that, we need your email. We try to do it through WhatsApp and through SMS, but it's very complicated. So if you guys would provide us right out front when you write to us asking questions, if you can provide us your email address, that would be wonderful. So us, Elettronika, could be better for you guys and serve you better and do our best and the best of the best. So reach out to us, Elettronika. Nice to see you. Take care.